Here we have a pom-pom maker. It comes with 4 different sizes. So depending on what your project is, you can make the pom-pom that is right for you. These are simple to use. All you need to do is first make sure it's together and you pop open either side. I'm just showing you here how they come apart. It's very simple to just pop them back together. You have the arms extended. Grab whatever color yarn you're going to use. And basically you just get it started on either side of the little arm. That's probably the hardest part of using this. And you literally just start wrapping. Important is make sure you don't go over that little ledge right there. Otherwise it will make the pom-pom slip off and the pieces that you cut will actually end up falling out. So you just wind this up. When you get to the end and you need to start on the other side, all you need to do is pull the yarn over to the second part, start it again, make sure it's not hooked around the other side there. I keep messing it up a little. I just use my thumb to guard it and just do the same thing you did on the first side. When you finish the second side, all you need to do is close it, cut off your yarn. You don't need this anymore. Hold it together. Make sure the feet don't come up. Here, you just want to make sure you hold it down. And you do need a good pair of sharp scissors. I have these linked in my bio. I like these a lot, but I will say that the thicker you make the pom-pom, a little bit more work is going to go into cutting. So you just cut both sides and you want to make sure you don't have any pieces of yarn still wraps around. So you see there, I just got. So it's nice and clean, and you do the same thing on the other side. Grab a piece of yarn and you want to now wrap a piece around where you just cut, and this will just fall right into the pom-pom. And you just want to make a nice tight knot. I double knot this, otherwise it's going to come apart. And all you need to do now is lift up the legs. You may feel a little bit of resistance if you missed maybe one loop from when you started it. Lift up both legs and then you want to pull it apart and off comes your pom-pom. Trim any little excess pieces that you have. I like this better because you're not wasting a lot of yarn using your fingers or your hand, which you can totally do. But here you go, cute little pom-pom.